In this series of videos, we're going to show you how to plant trees. There are a number of different ways that plants are produced. One is bare root, one is container grown, and one is ball and burlap, otherwise known as field grown. And that's what we're going to show you how to plant first. So with ball and burlap, what they do is they come in with a tree spade and dig that. They place it in typically a wire basket with burlap in it. And then they wrap that burlap either with pinning nails or they use twine to tie the burlap to hold the root ball together for transport. In order to determine how big the hole should be, no matter what you're planting really for container grown and field grown trees, you want to actually have a hole that's about 2 to 3 times the diameter of the root ball. To determine the depth though, what we need to locate is the first main order root. And we'll show you a little bit later a close-up of what that root actually looks like when we're planting. But in order to find it in the root ball before we put the tree in the hole so we know we have the right depth of a hole, you can use either a survey pin or you can use a flathead screwdriver if you happen to have one handy. These are pretty easy to find. You can find them at forestry supply catalogs, and they're great because they're pretty stiff and they're bright colored, so you can find them if you lose them in the field easily. So what we do is we take this and poke it into the root ball and try to find where that first main order root is located. And we found one here that's about 3 inches down. So we take that, kind of determine, all right, this is where we need to put our hole to determine the depth of the hole there. We take our shovel, use the end of our shovel, and then we determine, all right, this is the depth of the hole that we need to make.